We said if South Africa plays this way, like we said, if they play that low mid block, and then they hit Korea on a counter, they have a chance. And they absolutely played that way. I mean, the players were brilliant. You can't say Ocon was brilliant. Mbogazi was brilliant. He was solid at the back. Mudiva
Yeah.
was good. He didn't overlap. Mudau was so excellent. I mean, his recovery was amazing. Uh, he was closing the winger all the time. And then
Yeah.
Mufokeng was the cream that we've been missing. I mean, that boy is a
Yeah,
genius.
that guy was the one.
Hugo Bruce was doubting him. I mean, he was just denying him an opportunity to shine in a big stage. And today they shined. You know, even if they lost this game today, I was still going to be proud because they played the football that we love, the football that we wanted them to play all these times. And Maseko also, he's been a revelation because he can take on players with his speed. Uh, I was so impressed with him. And then Makopa also, he was very good as well because in first half he was winning those high balls. And Talent Mbata was receiving the ball so well. Sitole, I doubted him. He was also brilliant today. I mean, all of them, they stuck to the plan. They were focused. Korea didn't have that much chances to score. We had more chances than Korea, even though they dominate the ball. But they couldn't hit it. And then we were lucky in the first half, they didn't take their chances in the 7th minute. Uh, After they missed that chance, it gave us confidence to start playing and be disciplined at the back. They were very disciplined at the back. But credit must go to the head coach as well. Hugo Bruce was brilliant today. His tactics, the analysis was very spot on.